Okay, tornado on the ground, Jay. Tornado on the ground. Definite tornado on the ground.
For a tornado warning, let's go over to Cake's Viper 3D. A very pronounced hook echo. Our chaser Lanny Dean reporting a very large tornado on the ground. This is about 12 miles southwest of Greensburg, and it is heading towards Greensburg. As we look at the velocity signatures, this is wind blowing away and towards the radar. This is about as strong as it gets, folks. Unfortunately, very powerful thunderstorm, very strong rotation now about 12 miles southwest of Greensburg, and it's moving towards Greensburg and really doesn't show any signs of letting up.
Riders on the storm, into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm, there's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday, let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road, yeah. Girl, you gotta love your man.
Jesus, gonna drop right in front of us.
Girl,
Come
you
on.
gotta love your man. Take him by the hand,
That is rotating like mad.
make him understand. The world on you depends on life.
Jesus. Oh, fucking hell. That's the end. That just hit that line. Oh, Jesus, that landed just to the left of me there. Right, let's get out of here for a minute. Landed to my left.
Approaching a twisting storm.
Yeah.
Please exercise caution.
Bloody hell. We've got rotation behind us on the...
It's really cranked up, isn't it?
Oh!
Got full, easy, got full.
Whoa! Get out of it.
Boom.
Oh, fuck me. Nothing coming?
Clear, clear.
Not again. You might want to film from the car soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, like now. Like that. Chris.
Get in the car.
Seriously.
Risking his life there.
That just hit that, it hit something and flew. And again, watch this. Oh,
That smoke from that second post.
I know,
Yeah,
sorry.
the post.
It's another one's just hit that post down there.
Oh, the chasers.
Watch this. Yeah, this is dangerous. And again, just off to the side of the road. Look at Dave laughing, and again. Watch this, listen to this.
CG bombs going down here.
I've never had to leave before because of lightning, but
Exercise caution.
I'm not even sure I want my car to be hit by some of these.
Oh, see.
Oh, hello.
Tornado. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Oh, yeah. Tornado on the ground. We can stop soon. Yeah. There's a tornado. There's a tornado, I can see it. just briefly in the right, just to the right of the trees.
The entire thing is the tornado. You can see, look at the rapid rising motion on it.
Yeah.
You can see several different areas where condensation will touch the ground inside that core.
Now we're in trouble.
Shit.
Yeah, this is
What is wind here then?
very close, very close to circulation here. Alright, this has got to be inside circulation here. Yeah.
Fucking hell, those carriages going down over there. Those carriages are just blown over.
Hey?
Those carriages are just blown over there.
I think we just moved out a bit,
Carriages just got blown off the line over there.
Whoa, look at that going across the road. Look! Damage to the garage there.
Yeah, it looks like we're getting into an area that probably had 100-mile-an-hour winds anyway.
We're now in the middle of a fucking tornado. Shit. Dave, you still there? Watch your windows.
It's going to be over.
We have just... There was a house on our left, which has gone. Now we're in trouble. Here comes the hail. It's been swept in. Sideways. It's getting worse. F3 tornado. At least an F3. Unbelievable footage here. Unbelievable. There you go, Jeff.
Good midday, everyone.
Excellent.
Is a filmmaker and is chasing storms around the world. So while people were driving away from the tornadoes in Nebraska, he and a group of people actually wanted to drive towards the storm. So my first question is, are you crazy?
Yeah, people would say so. Yeah, but I mean, my job is to try and get as close to the storms as possible to understand, first of all, what they're like, and what it's like to be amongst that incredible energy, but also to understand the impact on people as well.
So you started in Kearney, you had got some footage, you thought you guys were done, you pulled over to a gas station, and then what happened?
Well, we were still chasing, but we were having a bit of a rest. We were pulled into a gas station to fill up and get some donuts and some coffee, and then there was a tornado warning. So we weren't chasing anymore, we were being chased by the...
You see the motion above it going out? Yeah? It's just about to produce. We're the only one in the middle, yeah?
Come on.
Approaching a twisting storm. Please exercise caution.
Let's go do this. Come on.
Again. We're going for in a minute we are.
Come on. Drop.
That is incredible motion. Whoever's video. Oh, that is big. lose one, gonna lose windshield and all. Stop.
Good man, you've done it. You've done it. You've done it.
Is this the way